Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'll be the first one to admit I'm out of my wheelhouse here with colors. But somebody sent me this and they wanted to reproduce it, and it was real fuzzy, as you can see, and not very good. And here I just created this, and I'm quite pleased with it. He's got some sort of printer, so I'm out of my wheelhouse. But what I did, and it's pretty simple, just take your eyedropper tool, get your color eyedropper and get that orange and put it in there. Then make you a little bitty circle, a little bitty ellipse. He's got his set on blue. And grab the eyedropper tool and grab that yellow and try to put it in that circle. Maybe easier to do this. Make your circle bigger. Eyedropper tool, grab that and put it in there. Now you definitely want to right click no outline, and then you can take that same circle and make it real small. Now we're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. We'll go ahead and hit P on both of them. Probably want the yellow down just a little bit. So I'm going to select the yellow, holding down the control button so it kind of stays down. And then go to Effects and Blend, open the Blend Docker, grab both of them, and as soon as I do, you'll see the highlight up. Go to 1500 blends and hit Apply. Now, you see it left some remnants, so with just experimenting, I figured out that I need to make my circle quite a bit smaller, and then it won't be to see that remnant. And I do not know what I'm doing here, but that looks pretty close. And of course you can move that circle around, get you a different look. You could make let's just back up here. Let's take this circle and make it a brighter yellow. And let's go ahead and let's hit P and put it right in the middle, see what happens. Then we're going to grab them both. Let's go 2000. I don't know how far it'll go, but that's pretty cool. Now I can kind of see some shadowing it did because of the box. And there might be other ways around that. I'm thinking, let me back up here and let's take this, let's try this. Make an ellipse and make it about that shape, maybe just a hair bigger. Fill it in with that orange. So we'll get the eyedropper tool, grab that orange and fill that in. And then tell you what, let's get this out of the way. Take our circle and hit P, hit P. It must be in the back of the page now. So grab our orange, go to Object, Order, back of page, there's our yellow circle. And then let's grab them all and let's blend them that 2000 times. Hit Apply. Got a totally different look, a smoother look. And then this is what you could do. You could probably, I don't know if you have to do anything to it, but you can go to Power Clip and place inside frame. And then we could still edit it, because you can see my circle does it. So we'll edit it and take that circle and actually move it down to where it's in the power clip, and then hit that, and then take our people. And what I would do is hit B and put it in the bottom. And actually I'm going to put them both so they'll be in the center of the page, and then hit B like in boy, and that'll put the people at the bottom of the page. I think that's dead on to this one, but a lot sharper because it's a vector file. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.